Have you tried the AT&T Voicemail Viewer app? Voicemail Viewer is available for AT&T Voicemail or AT&T Unified Messaging. With Voicemail Viewer, you can use your wireless device to view, hear, read, and manage your voicemail messages left on your business wireline voicemail. If you have sub-accounts with individual voicemail boxes or extensions, you can check messages in each of them. You can check your messages visually, listen to them in the order you choose, or read them with the Voicemail to Text feature. Quickly see who left messages, when a message came in, and whether it's marked private or urgent. Do you have a combined voicemail box for your wireline and wireless messages? If so, you can see if a message was left on your wireline number or your wireless number. Want to share a message? You can forward it as an email. To install the app, go to the App Store for your wireless device and search for Voicemail Viewer. It's free to download. Follow the instructions to download and install the app. When you start the app for the first time, click View EULA to read the End User License Agreement. If you accept the terms of the agreement, click Accept. Then enter your 10-digit phone number and the PIN for your AT&T Voicemail or AT&T Unified Messaging service, and start viewing and managing your voicemail right away. Want to learn more? For more videos, go to att.com/SMB How-To Videos. For step-by-step help, go to the Support Center at att.com/smallbizsupport.